Hello, in this session we're going to talk about date and time data types. The standard Python library includes date and time data type as well as functions associated with calendars. The datetime.datetime type is used quite often. So from library datetime we have to import datetime, and then we are creating a variable of type datetime which will show the current time. Before doing that, let's minimize this a bit, go to Spider, and from datetime import datetime. So x1 equal datetime.now. Then we're going to print x1 equal and x1, and then we're going to print some dashes. Execute this. So this is the current time in my computer, and you can see it from here as well. So it is August 28, the time is 17:05:11, and here it is displayed x1 as this time. Or if we go in the console and type x1, we can see that we have datetime.datetime data type with these parameters. So it is 2022, which is the year, then 8 is the month, 28 will be the date, 17 will be the hour, 5 will be the minutes, and 11 will be the seconds. Or if we go into Variable Explorer, we can see that we have this value. We can print in the console x1.year, then x1.month, and x1.day, and the following will be typed. So 2002 will be for the year. For the month we'll have 8, and for the day will be 28. So here we have some different results. Every time we type datetime.now will be a different result. So if we go here, it will be 17:07 and not 17:05. Datetime type stores dates at the microsecond level. Calculating the difference between two datetime objects can be done using. So we're having one datetime with the following parameters: 2021, 1 and 7, which will be January the 7th of 2021, and here we'll have 2018, the 6th will be the month, 24 will be the date, 8 will be the hour, and 15 will be the minutes. So let's do it. So x2 equal, we are subtracting one datetime from the other datetime. So the first parameter will be the year, then it will be the month, and then it will be the day. And we can see it from the help, which is year, then month, then the day, minus date time 2018, then we have 6, which is the month, then we have 24, 8 and 15. So 8 will be the hour and 15 will be the minutes. And we can copy and paste these two lines, put x2 here and x2 here, execute this. So we can see that the difference between these two dates will be 927 days and 15 hours and 45 minutes. The same result will be here. However, here will be displayed the seconds, which is 56700. Or we can go to console and type x2, and we can see that this will be the same result as in this part here. So if we type x2.days, so this is another parameter which will be shown the number of days, it will be 927. And if we type x2.seconds, we can see that we have 56,700 seconds. So this will be the difference. The same result is in this part here. The time delta function enables us to have the time difference between two datetime objects. So, if we would like to have the difference between two objects, we have to import the time delta from the library datetime. From datetime, import time delta. And then x3 will be datetime, the year will be 2021, month will be 1, and the day will be 7. So again we have x4 will be equal to x3 plus time delta of 12. And let's print the result out. Let's copy and paste these two lines and put x3 here. And here again, let's put x4. Execute this. Now we can see that the difference between x3 and x4 will be 12 days, because here we have January 19th and here we have January the 7th. We can do also the subtraction. x5 equal x3 minus 2 times time delta of 12. And let's print the result out. Let's put x5 here and x5 here. Execute this. We will go into the year 2020. The date will be the 14th of December 2020, because it will be 2 times time delta 12, which will be 24 days. So the result for x5 will be datetime.datetime, and we can see we have this part here. If we type in the console x5, we can see that we have the same result as here. The following table explains data type in module datetime. So we have the type date, which saves calendaric day according to Gregorian calendar. Then we have another type, which is time, which saves only the time of the day as hour, minute, second, and microsecond. We have another type, which is datetime, which saves the date and time, so it is combined date and time. And the last type will be time delta, which displays difference between two datetime objects as date, seconds, and microseconds. That's it regarding date and time data types. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next sessions.